Let's make some tangrams, shall we? So what we're going to do is we're going to get this rectangle and we're going to click and drag until we go to this origin point. It's right at the middle of the X and Y axis guideline. This is the X axis guideline. This is the Y axis guideline. So this is 0 and 0 on the X and Y, but you don't need to know that much right now. What you do need to do is make this 4 inches by 4 inches. So click here where it says 1 inch and change that dimension from 1 to 4 and then hit enter. And then click here and do the same, 4, enter. Okay, so now we have 4 inches by 4 inches centered right here on the origin. Okay, now to make our tangrams game, we are going to use these guidelines in the black lines to create these blue lines. We already started with this with the square. It is a rectangle, but it's an equilateral rectangle. So it is what we're going to design inside of. So we're going to draw all the blue lines. Don't forget about this one here. Okay, and so this is a really fun game that you can play for hours and years even. It's a fun game. So we're going to start with grabbing the pen tool, or you see how it says the letter P next to the word pen? That means you can hit the letter P on the keyboard. So I'm going to do that. Hit the letter P. Notice how it changed to that same tool. And we're going to go from this corner here, or yes, from this corner. You're going to click once. Do not drag. And then you're going to drag it all the way to this other corner here, and then you're just going to click once. And notice how the pen still wants to create a line, but we don't want that. So we're going to hit the escape button on the top left of your keyboard by the number 1. Okay? Now we're going to create another line from this midpoint. Right here, you click once, and you have to go to this other midpoint. It has to be very precise. All these lines are very precise, or else your game will not work, and it will not be fun. Okay, so we hit escape to get rid of that, to not continue the line. All right, and now what we're going to do is we're going to go to this midpoint here. Right here, it has to say midpoint, not from here where it says path. No, it has to say midpoint. So you click there, and actually, hold on, I'm going to hit undo. Okay, so I'm going to actually, you know what I'm going to do? Instead of starting down here, I'm going to click up here where it says corner, and then we're going to go all the way down here to this midpoint there. Okay, so we hit escape. Okay, if you hit escape twice, it'll actually get rid of the pen tool, so you don't have to do that. But if you do that accidentally, that's fine. You can just click the pen tool again and continue where you left off. So we have almost all of our lines done. We want to have this line here. This one's kind of tricky. So this one we want to click here where it says anchor point, and then you're gonna be right at this perfect center here, but it's hard because there's no guide there point to give us. So what you want to do is hold shift, and it will create a horizontal line, and then you just go until it intersects. So I'm holding shift right now. If I don't hold shift, notice it goes away. So I'm going to hold shift to keep it on the straight line, and then I'm going to go to right there where it says intersection. Okay, once you're there, just click, boom. That's what we want. We don't want that other one. So hit escape. All right, and now this is the last line. You're going to go from endpoint here, and you're going to go all the way to that corner right there. It has to be right at the precise corner. All right, folks, it's going to be very important. You can also hit the shift button to make a 45-degree angle and click on intersection, and then boom, and then hit escape. And we are actually done. So these lines are what's going to be your tangrams. If you want to decorate it after you cut it, you can paint them afterwards, okay, with our markers. Okay, so right now it's just doing this. As soon as you're done, you're going to go to app.glowforge.com. You're going to log in. You're going to go to create new design. Oh, actually, if we forgot to go to file export SVG. You're going to put your name, Tangram. Okay, and then you're going to go to app.glowforge.com, upload the file. Here the Tangram. All right. And then you are going to select your material. Once this finishes, you're going to select your material, and then you're going to upload it. So there's our design. Okay, try to have it at the top left as much as possible. Don't put things right in the middle of where there's material. Put it on the corner as much as you can. We're going to go there. Unknown material, we're going to click there and select medium basewood plywood. And then we just leave that as cut. We hit print, and then you push the button when you're ready to go. All right. And you can look for Tangrams challenges online, and I'll try to print some for you too. But have fun.